Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to play Minecraft, but I can only stay in the third person back position. This is going to be really hard, so my only goal is to find diamonds and then the challenge will be over. Hope it doesn't take that much time. I will shorten the video much, and also I told that there will be a video of me playing Minecraft in the airplane. I have not, oh, it's the wrong position. I have not yet uploaded it, so I will upload right away. So yeah, this is kind of weird. I think I saw something. Okay. Well, let's see. This is gonna be really weird. Oh my god, what? Okay. This is so weird. I think that's it. No, this is oh my god. Okay, thanks to God. Okay, let's see what we have here. I've never ever played in this mode. I think I don't even change to this mode ever. This is my first time changing to this mode. Craft up. Go. Stone pickaxe. Okay, let's go to that cave that we saw. Oops. Okay, wait. Let's make a little bit. Oh, that was too. Oh my. Okay, do you see iron there? Wait. Oh my god, what am I doing? It has to be small pickaxe. So the mining is gonna be so weird. Wait, no. Okay, this is gonna convenient. Oh, lava though. That might be very difficult. I think 16 is the amount I will get. Yeah. Or 20. Okay, let's go. Create all the tools, axe, pickaxe, and shovel. That's all the things that we need. Okay, we have a lot of iron right here, which might be useful. Wait, why am I saying might? It is very useful. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Okay, this is kind of a hard challenge. I don't even know that I get diamonds or not. Oh, this is so weird. I think this all the iron is broken. Is there any coal? Oh my god. Okay, just don't. Oh my god, oh my god. No, I cannot die. Where is this baby? Oh, wow, what a challenge. I can only survive 3 minutes. So that was it, guys. I only survived 3 minutes. This is a very hard challenge. Kind of a pointless video. This is I hope I get to do some very interesting challenges later. This was a really hard challenge and also a weird challenge. So yeah, bye.